Guys, welcome back to my channel JM Travel. Well, today I'm gonna show you guys install tailgate light bar from OPT7 on my friend truck 2025 Toyota Tundra, because I heard a lot of people say, you know, the 2025 Tundra is not compatible with OPT7 lights. So we're gonna test it out today. I'm gonna show you guys how to install, and then we're gonna test it out, guys. My friend, he just he's gonna do the install. So first of all, we have to disconnect the negative battery, right? So on my GMC, I don't have to disconnect, but he just want to make sure everything okay. So he disconnect the negative side of the battery. This is 2025, brand new. So I'll show you guys. Beautiful, beautiful car. Okay, this is the product that we get. It's OPT7. You see the OPT7? You do amber or you do red turning signal? Red okay, so he have a red turning signal. Okay, so on the Tundra, you will have like four screws in the back right here. So if you want to fix this 60-inch, you need to take out two of the bowl.
Two of the bowl
on each side. So 4 bowl, so that you can mount. So he mount the clip right here. So all he do is just clip it in really tight. I don't think this thing gonna come off. So you know, in the packet they come with the clip with it. So he did one clip right here, one in the middle, and then one at the end. Okay, and the connector that he used is a 7-pin connector. You don't have to get it from OPT7. You can buy the connector, you know, from Amazon, 7-pin. So that's what he do right here. So let me show you guys in the bottom right here.
The part number will be on this.
Let me see the light, bro. So he did the 7-pin connector. All you do to took it out, you know, the factory, hook it up to the female or male, and then the other end you go back into the 7-pin. And then the reverse light is the white light right here. All you do to cut a little bit and then to tap it in. And then all you do to tape it. So right now we just, you know, he just finished install it. So we're going to test it out, see if the light working properly before we tape the electric tape in. Okay? So let's test it out, see what's up. But it's really easy. What's the part number for the 7-pin?
The part number.
Okay, this is the 7-pin he bought from Macmo.
And the part number will be this thing on.
Okay, the part number is gonna be OV2126, 7-pin connector. So it's like what, 40 bucks, 30 bucks? $21 from Amazon. Okay.
Cheaper than the
OPT7, huh? Yeah. So this one is cheaper than OPT7, right?
Yes, but
okay.
The OPT7, I think
they say the OPT7 is worth for like GMC and stuff, but you know, we're not gonna try that. So we just ordered that part. So we're gonna connect the negative battery, and we're gonna test it out, and then I'm gonna show you guys when the light, when you know, when outside get dark, you guys gonna see better. But let's go connect the thing. Okay. You see, I have it on my truck as well, but I'm my GMC, so I use the Easy Connect. I'm not using the 7-pin connect. So see, look, when I unlock, you will see it. There you go. But I think the Toyota look way better because, you know, my light right here is right behind the tailgate bar, so that's the reason why it's not gonna show. That's good. So now he's gonna connect the negative battery back. Man, this is nice, man. Okay, he connected back, and then we're gonna test it out. It's really easy. It's not that hard. Everything tight? Everything tight, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. All right, let's go check it out. We still have the wire we're hanging. We're not done yet. So when we're done, we're gonna zip tie and then put it back behind the thing. Oh, it's nice. Okay, now he crank it up. Beautiful, beautiful guy. Man, this is perfect. Okay, okay, bro. Turn, make a left turn. Yeah. That's a left turn signal. Beautiful. Okay, do the right turn. Nice. Okay, do emergency. That's how they look. Okay, now you can put in reverse. See the white light come up. Turn up the emergency. Boom. Beautiful. Nice. It's working, man. It's working. Okay, put it back in park. Okay, hold on. Put it back in park. Okay, turn on the left signal. Okay, now you can hit the brake for me. There you go. The red light still blinking. Everything working perfect with 2025 Tundra. Okay, guy? Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna wrap it up. Zip tie the thing. We done. Beautiful. Hit the brake. Nice, nice. Like it. Okay, guys, this is a nice demonstration between Toyota Tundra and GMC with the tailgate light bar. So let me turn on my car so you guys gonna see how they're gonna look. There you go. Okay, bro, can you turn on the left turn signal? Yeah, the left turn right here at night is really nice. Right turn. They're all blinking. All right, emergency. Beautiful. Back up, reverse, bro. Woo, so bright. Beautiful, guy. There you go. So with the 2025 OPT7 is all working good. Thank you, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install a tailgate light on that 2025 Toyota Tundra. So we have a OPT7 tailgate light bar with a red turn signal, and we used a 7-pin connection. It's all working out good. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next video.